let me quickly unbox it. So I used to have a GoPro, and this looks pretty similar in size. Very similar material. First the wire. And a bunch of manuals that no one cares about. I don't know what that is. Battery. And I'm assuming this is a helmet mount. And this is a magnet mount. Oh, okay. So that's how it works. And let me put this in. Okay, now as for the cage, I actually had to look up the manual for this. Seems like all you gotta do is just slide this in, not put in the put one side first and then try to put it in, but just simply expand the cage a little bit, slide it in from the top, like so. Okay, so this is really weirdly designed, but yeah, it's a nice fit. I like it. It's really nice that they actually give you a cage. All right. So here is the DJI Mic 2 and PGI Tech a backpack mount. And this one I use with this base plate and a backpack mount. And here's the tripod, mini tripod. So let me first install this to here. That off. This way, clips right in. Take that off. Claws, just take it off. Get rid of all these. Put them on the side. Now let me connect the DJI mic. So I'm back. I found out the problem. So the problem was that the reason why I couldn't connect to DJI mic was because I actually had to get a new firmware. Because the original firmware that this thing came with didn't have the wireless connection option. So here, you can see wireless mic. And with this, you're gonna turn it on first. And it might actually flash green. This means it wants to connect to the receiver. So you gotta switch to the Bluetooth mode. You're gonna hold down the record button and you can see it will switch to blue color. And then now you gotta hold down the link button. Blue color means it's now in Bluetooth mode. There you go. So now it's connected. Yep. So now there's that connection. I like the fact that it came with the cage, which usually costs like 20-30 bucks extra. And here I actually have a Ulanzi GP16, which enables you to connect to, get it onto a metal surface. So yeah, so this way you can easily snap it onto any kind of metal surface, which comes in pretty handy. You could actually use it as a stand as well. There's a magnetic part that you can have, say, let me see, back here. Let's say this is a t-shirt. then I have this thing in the back, and see, you have this mounted on a shirt or any kind of fabric, so that works pretty well as well. So let me take this off. There we go. All right, so this is such a tiny camera. I like it. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, and if you want me to continue making something like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks.